Hi children, how are you? Today we are going to discuss about basic classes from 4th to up to 10th level basics. I am going to explain which are important for every class. So we would like to learn all these things one after one. It's very easy, so that I'm going to explain one after one. See, first factors and multiples we are going to discuss. In that, factors first we are going to discuss. Factor means a number which divides another number without leaving a remainder. Suppose you take 8 example. Its factor means 1, 2, 4, 8. Because if you are dividing with 1, 1 8s are 8, 8 after 8 minus 8 means there is a no remainder, leaving remainder 0 only. That means no remainder. Suppose you are dividing 8 with 2, 2 4s are 8 coming, there is no remainder. That means 0 only remainder will be present. Without leaving any reminders, what are those? Those are factors. For 8 I gave, you can take so many numbers, no problem. Suppose 5 you take, 1 and 5 its factors. Suppose 6 you take, 1, 2, 3, 6 like that. So many factors will be present. But for every number, see, for every number, either 2 or more factors will be there, except 1. Every number except number 1 has at least 2 factors. The number 1 has only one factor, because 1 is divisible by 1 itself. It is one factor only. It has only one factor. Properties of factors I am going to explain. 1 is a factor of all numbers. 1 is factor for all numbers. That means any number can be divided by 1. Every non-zero number, why I am telling means here non-zero number means from 1 onwards you can take non-zero number, is a factor of itself. Suppose 2 take, it is divisible by 2. 3 take, it is divisible by 3 itself. That is factor of itself. Any number, suppose 100 you take, 100 is divisible by 100. That means 1 is factor for all numbers, and the number itself is a factor. 1 is the smallest factor of a number. For any number, smallest factor is 1 only. The largest factor of a number is the number itself. That means, suppose in the example, the least factor is or smallest factor is 1, you know already. But 8 is largest factor, or that is itself. What we call largest factor means the number itself, 8 itself. Every factor of a non-zero number is less than or equal to the number. Each and every factor of, say example 8 is I am taking, each factor is below the 8 or which is equal to 8. That is the, with example I am telling, the factor of a number is either less than or equal to the number. The factor of a number is either less than or equal to the number. Either same number or below numbers will be present. What about 0? 0 means 0 is a factor to any number. See, 0 is not a factor to any number. 0 is not a factor. Don't confuse it here. But 0 has infinite factors. That means 0 does not, 0 is not a factor to any number. Suppose we are taking 8 example here, 8 example. In this 0 is not present. That means 0 is not factor to any number. But 0 has factors, infinite factors. The number which is having more factors means 0 only. Because 0 1s are 0, 0 2s are 0, 0 3s are 0, like that any number it is multiplied with again 0 only. So that's why 0 has infinity many factors present. But 0 is not factor to any number. Only one factor means 1 has only one factor. Prime numbers, the numbers which are having only two factors, that is 1 and itself. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. From 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers are present. You can learn. To get the prime number list, we should do the Eratosthenes sieve. Based on that, you will get the prime numbers list from 1 to 100 or 200 to 100 to 200, like that you can do that Eratosthenes sieve. It is learnt in lower level in 4th standard. 2 factors 1 and 2, 3 factors 1 and 3, 5 factors 1 and 5, least prime number and only one even prime number is 2. Least prime number as well as only even prime number, one only is present. Remaining all are odd prime numbers. This is one concept, prime number concept. Everywhere in the higher level it will be coming. Up to 10th standard sums are there. In the intermediate level also it is present. So prime number and composite number, every sum, even probability, everywhere it is coming. So that's why we need to learn. Composite numbers means the numbers which are having more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors means 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, etc. Here 4 factors are 1, 2, 4. Least composite number this is. Least composite number is 4 only. 6 factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, like that. So remaining all numbers having more than 2 factors only. Composite number means all are having more than 2 factors, whereas prime number has only 2 factors. Then what about 1? 1 is neither prime nor composite, because for prime number at least 2 factors are required, but 1 has only one factor. That's why it is neither prime nor composite number. Prime factorization sums will be present in the from lower to higher class. So I shall explain with one illustration. Just observe. Prime factorization. A composite number can be shown as the product of primes. It is in the lower class like this it is present. For higher class, this one only, every composite number can be expressed into product of primes. This is prime number concept. Now prime factorization kinds. One is factor tree method, another one is division method. Here I am giving one example, 48. 48 I am giving. With this you can understand 2 kinds. Factor tree method in the lower class is applicable. This division method is used for higher class up to inter level. Here 48 composite number, prime, say 2 into 24 you can multiply. So 2 is prime number, here composite. Again 12 is divided into, 2 into 12. Yes, it split into 2 parts. 2 into 12. Again 12 is a composite. So again it is split into 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is composite number. So you can split this 2 into 3. That means up to all numbers must be prime. That is factor tree method. For small kids it is understandable thing. That's why I am explaining each and every part as basics. In the higher level what it is, you need to divide with 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. That means 48 is divisible by 2, 2 24s are 48, you know. Next, 2 12s, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Again, it is divided by 2 only. Suppose if it is not divisible by 2, you can take some other next prime number like 3, 5, 7, 11, like that you can take. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, again 3 1s are 3. But you should write only prime numbers. 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That means you can write it as even 2 power 4 into 3 also you can write. This is the prime factorization method. So these values, yes, in two types you can find. This is only one example. You can take some other examples also, as like factor tree method means for lower class, third, fourth, fifth standard up to there it is compulsory. For higher class, this method is division method is better. Here list of prime numbers given in a tabular form 1 to 100, 10 10 each gap I kept 1 to 10, 2 3 5 4. There are 2 3 5 7, not a 4. There are 4 prime numbers are there, 10 to 20, 11, 13, 17, 19, like that 4 are there, 20 to 30, 25, 23, 29 is present. Like that you can watch it all the numbers up to 100. There are 25 prime numbers. Each prime number can be written in the tabular format, so it will be helpful in the doing sums of LCM and HCF, all these things. So better to write in one format. Afterwards you can keep. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.